Today we shall describe the reproductive system in human being. What are the major parts of this male reproductive system? Pair of
Testes.
accessory glands and accessory duct. Clear? Now, accessory duct included rated testes, then vasa efferentia, vas deferens, then epididymis, then ejaculatory duct, and now accessory glands included seminal
Cycle, prostate, gland, corpus glands.
Now first describe the pair of testes. Yes, describe morphological structure of these testes. A pair of testes which is located in the pouch of skin. That is called as the scrotum. In early life or early foetal life, the testes which is developed in the abdominal cavity. Clear? Later on, it descends into the scrotum through the passage that is called as the inguinal canal. Then again, these testes which is connected to the wall of scrotum by the fibromuscular band that is called as the gubernaculum. Now this scrotum which helps for to maintain the temperature, is it clear? 2 to 3 degrees Celsius, and now which is essential for the formation of spermatogenesis, or which is essential for the formation of sperm. Is it clear? Then the testes are oval in shape, pinkish in color. Then it measure about 4 to 5 centimeter length, 2 to 3 centimeter wide, and 3 centimeter thickness. Then what are the functions of these testes? Testes produces the sperm, main function, and secondary function which secretes the male sex hormone. Clear? Testosterone. याचा आपण नाव पाहिलं आहे. Next, accessory duct. Now accessory duct included, guess what? Accessory duct included rated testes. कोणकोणते येतात आहे? Rated testes. Then second one, vasa efferentia. Then vas deferens, epididymis, ejaculatory duct. Now rated testes. What is meant these rated testes? Rated testes, that is the seminiferous tubules. Is it clear? The seminiferous tubules at the posterior surface of testes to form the network of tubules. All seminiferous tubules were at the posterior surface of testes to form the network of tubules, that is called as the rated testes. Clear? Base la rahte. Rated means to base. Then vasa efferentia, generally 12 to 20 fine duct or fine tubules. Now these 12 to 20 fine tubules, now they are called as the vasa efferentia. They are arising from the rated testes. Do you understand? Vasa efferentia, 12 to 20 fine tubules arising from rated testes. Now these vasa efferentia which carry the sperm from testes to epididymis. काय फंक्शन आहे वासा इफ्रन्सियाचं? व्हॉट आर द फंक्शन्स ऑफ दिस वासा इफ्रन्सिया? वासा इफ्रन्सिया नाउ दे कॅरी द स्पर्म फ्रॉम testis to the epididymis. Clear?
Yes.
Next, epididymis, a pair of highly coiled tubules or a pair of highly coiled duct. Is it clear? Just like these structures, पूर्ण रहते हैं a pair of highly coiled tubules or a highly coiled duct. Now, which is present posterior surface of the testis. Put a location which is present toward the posterior surface of testis. Now, this epididymis, which is differentiated into three parts. Which are these? Recently, caput epididymis, corpus epididymis, and cauda epididymis. Is it clear? Now these epididymis differentiated into three parts. The caput epididymis, that is the upper part, middle part, corpus epididymis, and the lower part, cauda epididymis. Then functions of these epididymis. Epididymis now which undergoes spermatogenesis, or the sperms are stored still they are mature. काय functions आहे epididymisचं? Epididymis which undergoes spermatogenesis. म्हणजे what is meant by spermatogenesis? That is the formation of sperm, development of sperm. Where these sperms are mature, these sperms are matured in the epididymis. Then vast difference. Next accessory duct, vast difference. A pair of long duct, which travel up to the abdominal cavity, and which joins with the duct of seminal vesicle. To form the ejaculatory duct. Is it clear? And now what is the functions of this vas deferens? Vas deferens which carry the sperm from epididymis to the ejaculatory duct, and finally which opens into the urethra. Put out there, which finally opens into the urethra. Clear? That is the epididymis. Next, ejaculatory duct. Yes. Now vas deferens joins with the duct of seminal vesicle to form a common duct, and this common duct, that is called as the ejaculatory duct, which opens into the urethra is a long duct which arising from the base of urinary bladder, which is located below the urinary bladder. तिथूनच निघते urethra. Now it is a long duct which arising from the base of urinary bladder and which runs or which passes through the penis. Have completed this urethra which passes through the penis and opens outside by opening. This opening is called as urethral meatus. अंदर आपण urethral meatus किंवा urethral orifice. अंदर त्याला आपण urethral orifice. Clear? Once again, this urethra which passes through the penis, clear, and opens outside by an opening, that is called as the urethral meatus किंवा urethral opening म्हटलं तरी चालते किंवा urethral orifice ज्याला बोलतो आपण. Now that is the urethra. Now urethra is also called as urinogenital duct. या urethraला काय म्हणतात? Urinogenital duct, because this urethra which provide urethra which provide the common passage for urine and semen. Why this urethra is called as urinogenital duct? Because it is a common passage or it carry both urine as well as semen. Semen containing the sperm, and hence this urethra which is also called as the urethra दूसरे नाम क्या म्हणतात आहे urinogenital duct. काय म्हणणार आपण urinogenital duct? Because this urethra which passes or which carry which is the common passage. कशासाठी common passage आहे? Both urine and sperm मला urine and semen मला, and hence that is called as the urinogenital duct. Now that is the urethra. Clear? Then accessory gland. Now how many accessory gland in human being? 3 accessory gland, which are these: seminal, vesical, prostate gland, and corpus gland. Now seminal vesicle, a pair of sac-like lobulated gland present where below the urinary bladder. That is the urinary bladder. What is the location? Seminal vesicle, these are a pair of sac-like lobulated gland, and where they are present below the urinary bladder. This seminal vesicle which secretes the fluid, that is called as the seminal fluid. Seminal fluid. Is it clear? This seminal vesicle which secretes the fluid, that is called as the seminal fluid. This seminal fluid which contain fructose. Is it clear? Then fibrinogen and prostaglandin, which are the contents of this seminal fluid: fructose, fibrinogen, and prostaglandin enzyme. Now fructose which provide the energy to the sperm for swimming. क्या करते हैं? These fructose which provide the energy to the sperm for the swimming or for the movement. Fibrinogen which helps for the coagulation of semen. क्या function है fibrinogen चा? Which helps for the coagulation of semen. And prostaglandin which bring about the sperm, is it clear, toward the eggs or toward the female gamete. Is it clear? Faster movement. Prostaglandin it helps for the faster movement. कोणाला देते हैं? To the sperm. Is it clear? कशासाठी? In short, the fusion of male and female gamete साठी मदत करते हैं. That is the seminal fluid. It forms about 60% of total volume of semen. म्हणजे सीमेन्स मध्ये जवळपास किती राहते सेमिनल फ्लुइड? 60%. इट फॉर्म्स अबाउट म्हणजे जो सीमेनचा पार्ट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये 60% काय राहते? सेमिनल फ्लुइड which contains sperm, which contain fructose, which contain fibrinogen, which contain prostaglandin. Don't know the seminal vesicle. त्याच्या आधी पाहिलं आपण seminal vesicle which joins with the vas deferens to form the ejaculatory duct. Now next, prostate gland. Now it is a single large lobulated gland against present below the urinary bladder. तर हे आहे ना रेड कलर मध्ये दाखवले. इट इज सिंगल, हे पेयर्स मध्ये म्हणजे सेमिनल वेसिकल कॉर्पस ग्लॅंड पेयर. नाउ प्रोस्टेट ग्लॅंड इट इज a single large lobulated gland near about 20 to 25 or 30 lobules. Now they are open into the what is this urethra. कशामध्ये ओपन होतात आहे? युरेथ्रा मध्ये. म्हणजे the lobules of prostate gland now they are opens into the urethra. This prostate gland against which secretes the fluid that is called as prostatic fluid. काय म्हणतो त्याला आपण? Prostatic fluid. prostate gland which generally secretes the fluid that is called as the prostatic fluid. And this prostatic fluid which contains citric acid, phosphatase and other enzymes. क्या कंटेन करते हैं? This prostatic fluid which contains citric acid, then acid, phosphatase and other enzymes. Acid, phosphatase, is it clear? That the main functions are these acid, phosphatase which protect the sperm. Is it clear? From the acid environment in the vagina. Main function त्याचा काय आहे? These acid, phosphatase which protect the sperm. कुठला वजायना मध्ये जो कॉमन पॅसेज ऍसिडिक राहते आहे तिथे गेल्यावर ते डेड झाले असते त्याच्यापासून फ्लुइड होण्याकरता काय राहते हे ऍसिड फॉस्फेटेज राहते शॉर्ट मध्ये which protect the sperm from the acidic environment in the vagina. That is the prostate gland. It forms about 30% of the total volume of semen. There, it forms about 30% of the total volume of the semen. Then Cowper's gland. Cowper's gland, it is a small P-shaped gland. What are these Cowper's gland? It is a pair of a small P-shaped gland. Now which is present membranous urethra. And urethra is तीन parts है. Now prostatic urethra, membranous urethra and penile urethra. Clear? हा इथला जो भाग आहे urethra चा याला काय म्हणतो आपण कोणता membranous नाही prostatic urethra हा middle वर membranous urethra आणि penis मध्ये जाते त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण penile urethra. Where Cowper's glands are present. Cowper's glands are present. Yes, where? Around the membranous urethra. Membranous urethra is around that. This Cowper's gland again which secretes the slightly alkaline fluid and which act as the lubricant during copulation. काय functions आहे त्या Cowper's gland secretion which is slightly alkaline fluid. So alkaline fluids है. And now what is their function? Which act as the lubricant. Lubrication grease सारखं काम करते हैं कधी during the copulation. किंवा which lubricate the vaginal passage of the female. Vaginal passage जो रहता है तो क्या करते हैं? Lubricates करते हैं. Now that is the Cowper's gland.